the first marine biospheric reserve in the region to be recognized by UNESCO. So among the residents of Butana, we have the fish, we have the birds, the corals, and of course the sharks. So the water of the Arabian Gulf, they are referred to as the natural laboratories of life and life. Because animals in this place, they not only survive, but also thrive under high temperatures and high salinity. So everybody, let's have a look at our tank here. We have 6.5 million liters of water in this tank, and it's only 5 meters deep. So anyone from 10 years and above, you can actually try the scuba diving experience in this tank. So as you can see, we have more than one diver, and this is called the Bali system, which is the first marine biospheric reserve in the region to be recognized by UNESCO. So among the residents of Butana,